by using LinkedIn or by using Naukri, right? Everyone is here or not?
Yes, yeah, here.
So,
Sir, one doubt, sir.
yes,
Yeah. So actually, in three ways we can get the data from server to client side, right?
yes.
Other two also we can use. Is there any specific uh, situation we use G underscore scratch pad?
Yes, we can also use G underscore scratchpad, we can use glide ajax, but we have already learned about get reference today. We will be learning those things in the upcoming classes. There are three methods. I have
Okay.
already told this thing in my previous
Yeah.
sessions.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. So that is why. Is there any difference? Uh,
I will tell
I'm
you when
asking. Is
we.
there any difference?
Yes, yes, there are lot of difference. No, not a single difference. There are lot of difference
Okay.
between this get reference, glide ajax, and G underscore scratchpad. I will tell you when we will be dealing with those session. If I will tell everything at one go, na, then people will get confused.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So now,
Afan, we will also teach about ACL and flow designers also.
yes, 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 everything people have to wait. Otherwise, if I will give you everything at one time, lot of confusion will be created. That's why this classes is also on alternate days. People are having good amount of time to practice, to learn from themselves as well. Whatever I have told you, if I will ask you same thing in the next class, one or two people can answer only. No one. If you will practice this thing 2 3 or 4 times, then only you will remember. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now come to this thing. We have 10 15 minutes left, so we will discuss about the approach, how we or you people, like I have already got lot of call. By applying this method, I was getting almost 10 calls every day. I will share all those uh, I will share all those number with you people as well. You can also call them, or you can try this by yourself by using this LinkedIn method. I will first tell you about the LinkedIn method. I was getting 10 calls every day from different HR. I am getting lot of call. Now, first thing is that whatever is your background, suppose you are not from ServiceNow, you are not from from other teams or other domain. If you want to switch to ServiceNow, or if you want to learn ServiceNow, you can also join these classes, or you can learn by yourself as well. But I'm telling you, first of all, start making lot of connections on LinkedIn. I will write only L. Start making lot of connection on LinkedIn, whatever it is. Try to send, like, in a week they had given a limit that you can only send 200 connection. 200 connection you can send only in a week. Try to create lot of connections in LinkedIn, because what will happen, if someone will like some post, if someone will repost some post, if someone will comment on some post, that will also show to you. So try to make connection with those who belongs to ServiceNow only. Try to make connection from those people who are in ServiceNow domain. If you will see their profile, and in bio, anything it is written which is related to ServiceNow, ITSM, CAD, CAD, everyone has written on their bio. So if it is related to ServiceNow, just send request to him or her. Try to make connection, lot of connections, because whatever they will like, they will repost, they will comment, it will show to you. Same as it is, make connection with HRs. Whatever HR it is, you have to make connection, because, like, if this month is July, if some HR is hiring Suppose some HR is hiring for this July for Salesforce developers. They have given post and they are hiring for Salesforce developer. Maybe after 1 or 2 or 3 months they will switch to some other domain, suppose ServiceNow, and now they will hire for ServiceNow developers. So in the post they provided lot of HR, they provided their email ID. They have provided their email ID in their post, right? People, have you observed that if your friend has liked something of those user who is not your friend, have you seen those kind of post in your LinkedIn?
Yes, yes.
Other people, please give answer. I have
Yes.
made this session for everyone.
Yes, yes.
You have seen those posts which of those people who are not in your friend list.
No.
Who told no? You have not seen any post like if your friend has liked some post, so their post is not visible to you. It will be visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, it's
Yes,
visible.
it's visible. It I also run LinkedIn every day, so people who are not in my connection also, they are seen on my chat or in the post. So same way, if you will make connection, lot of connection, suppose uh, 2000 connection you have made. Some of the people I have told they made 20,000 connections as of now, I have seen. So if you will make suppose 1000 connection, so lot of HR will be there in your connection as well, lot of friends will be there, lot of ServiceNow people. Try to make connection with the ServiceNow people as of now only, because you need job in the ServiceNow market. So whatever HR post they will like, that HR post will also show to you, and in that HR post email ID will be there. Copy that email ID and paste it to Excel. Same thing you have to do. You have to copy email ID whenever you are running LinkedIn. Just copy email ID. Don't call them. Number will be also there, but don't call the HR. Just copy the email ID, paste it to Excel. Make one Excel and try to copy at least 50 mail each day. Every day 50 mail from your LinkedIn. And I told you how you will get 50 email ID, when you will make lot of connections. You have to make lot of connections with the HR, with the ServiceNow people. Then only you will get 50 email when you will scroll LinkedIn. So if you will get like 50 email every day, I used to copy 100 email every day. I have almost 2000 3000 email ID. I will share those with you as well. I used to collect 100 email in one day. I used to run LinkedIn 4 or 5 hours every day when I was searching for job. Now what will happen at the end of 5 or 10 or 15 day, you have suppose 100 email ID, 1000 email ID. What you will do with this 1000 email ID? You will go to Gmail. In Gmail you have to attach all 1000, or try to send email in bifurcation. Suppose it will take I think 250 only email ID at one go. You have to attach all 250 email ID in BCC. Always remember, you have to attach in BCC. Okay, no, don't attach in CC or 2, because if you will attach
So
in 2,
the like
everyone will see when you are sending your mail. Always attach in BCC. Now make some good subject. I will also give you the subject line. Then create one template, and it should be only 5 to 7 line, not much. Create one template which you will use in your email where you will write like, hi, hope you are doing well, I am searching for the job, I have this much of experience. And if you are immediate joiner, or if you are serving notice period, if you have some last working day, you can mention in your subject line. Like in my subject line, I used to make application for ServiceNow developer, LWD is that day, or immediate joiner. Same way you have to use 5 to 7 line. Don't write much line in your mail, because no HR will see, no HR will read 10, 12, 15 lines. They don't have that much time. Try to make the email minimize. Only use 5 line, not much. And attach your resume. Try to build resume only in 2 page. However, you have 15 plus of year of experience, but try to make in 2 page of resume, not much. Don't make 3 page resume. Now after that, when you will send the mail, subject will be there in BCC, email will be attached. You have attached this thing, your email. Now attach resume. This thing you have done already. Now send this same mail 4 times in a day and in working hours. 4 times you have to send in a day, same mail, same email ID. Right now I have taken with the example of 250. Same subject, same template, same line, same resume, same person, like same email ID. 4 times in a day in working hours. Working hours means 9 to 5, Monday to Saturday, and 4 times make a gap of 2 hours. Why I am telling you to send mail 4 times? Because suppose you have sent mail at 10 a.m. and you think that my HR, whatever HR I have sent mail, he or she will see and he will reply. He will never see your mail. Do you think that HR is sitting idle and HR is not getting any mail or something? HR are getting thousand and thousand of mail in one day. They don't have that much capacity to read your mail. So always try to send mail 4 times. So suppose if they open the mail on Monday morning, they have almost 1000, 2000, 3000 mail in their bin. Some people have sent from Friday or Thursday or last week mail is left. So in 1000 mail, he will see your mail. There is very less probability. That's why I am telling you 4 times, because at some time when he is using your Gmail, suddenly your mail appears and it is just sent, like you have sent at 12 a.m. also, 12 p.m. also, 2 p.m., 4 p.m. and suppose he saw your mail, he opened your mail and he will directly call you. This approach I have applied, and by following this approach, even today I also, there is one Padma technology company. Today also I got call after 2 months of joining the new company, because they have seen my mail just now. Today morning they have seen mail which I have sent them 2 months ago. So see, I stopped sending mail 2 months ago also, but today they have seen. Means they have not seen your mail till now. They have seen today, that's why they call you today. That's why I am telling you, send them mail 4 times in a day. Prepare one Excel. Start copying mail from LinkedIn, pasting it your Excel, and start sending. Always keep those mail in BCC. Always make good subject. If you want subject, I will send you. If you want template, I will send you. Is attach resume. If you want resume also, I will send my resume. You can see those things. And one more thing I am forgetting, like if someone will reply that don't send me mail, check their mail and remove it from Excel directly. And one thing I am forgetting, okay, leave it. If I will get, I will tell you. So this thing you have to try. I am telling you one more thing. I will give you time to ask question. I am telling you one more thing. You will try to apply from career, from Naukri, from LinkedIn, from anywhere. You will not get a single call. I will guarantee you. If you will apply for 100 places, you will get only one call. If you will try this process, you will get lot of call. This thing I applied to myself. Previous year company which I was in Wipro, I tried this method only. I will also show you with the proof. I have that HR number who hired me. I have that HR number in my Excel. This year also, I am in LTM now. This year also, I have tried this method only. I got lot of call. I got placed from this method only in LTM. I directly pinged them. They call me. They schedule my interview. I prepared. I cracked. I got the offer in hand. By
Can
doing
you
this
tell
method,
which month is the best month for hiring purpose, or else we can
every month
try from?
for ServiceNow whole year. You can open LinkedIn and you can check LTM is still hiring. 2000, 4000 they require candidates. Every month is hiring for ServiceNow. There is no particular month. Yes, if you ask for particular month like this, I can tell you January or February after Christmas. So for Naukri and other thing I will tell you in the next class. Till now you people understand the process of LinkedIn, how you have to do for the job.
Yes.
Everyone is silent. Lot of people have joined but no one is speaking. I don't know why.
Yes, Afan.
32 people is there. At least speak.
Yes, Afan.
Yes, Afan.
Lot of people is there but no one is responding. Previous classes also, previous batch when I was taking, I explained this method to my students. They get lot of call, even they got placed by doing this method, performing this method. You can also try this one and you will also get the call. You will get
Afan,
you
I'm
will get.
having a question.
Yes, Sagufta.
Actually, multiple times I got the invite from Naukri itself for the
No,
same
no,
role for
don't.
ServiceNow developer.
I'm telling you, don't waste time on those things. I will tell you for the Naukri in other class what you have to do for the Naukri. There is also a process in the Naukri. I will tell you people in the next session. But for now, try this process. Try by yourself. I'm not telling you to believe on me. Try this thing. Whatever I have told you, try this by yourself. Then you will get to know that how this thing is helping you people.
Okay. I just need the details of the HR if you
Yes,
can
yes.
share.
I will share some of them. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Okay then. Okay, and for the new people, like some of you have texted me for the demo session and all, you can send me your mail ID because individually I can't message everyone. So I'm telling you, if you want to join, you can take the demo and then you can watch the demo. Then only you can like make decisions to join the session or not. Okay. For the recording, you can text me on my WhatsApp directly. Send me your email ID. I will understand. I will directly send you the recorded videos. You can watch through that and then you can decide to enroll or not. Okay, then I think I am done from my side. And one more thing, like next class will be much interesting. I will take lot of use case scenario which I have performed in my real time for on load, on change, on validate, on submit, everything I will be explaining. That class will be very much interesting. That will contain only the scenario thing, easy, difficult, hard, everything. So try to practice whatever I teach today. Try to practice this thing so that you will get to know the things better. And if you still have any doubt for the today class, whatever I have told you about get reference, you can ask your doubt. Okay, everyone?
Okay.
Okay,
Sure,
Afan.
Afan.
Okay then.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Thank you everyone then. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Afan.